Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford Expedition steering wheel. First, locate the adjustment lever, typically found beneath the steering column. This lever allows you to unlock the steering wheel's position. Pull the lever down firmly to release the lock. Always make sure your vehicle is completely stationary and in park before attempting any adjustments to ensure your safety and prevent accidents. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and secure adjustment process. Once unlocked, you can easily tilt the steering wheel up or down. Adjust it to a height that provides you with a clear and unobstructed view of the entire instrument panel. It's also important to ensure that all dashboard controls remain comfortably within your reach. Experiment with different angles to find the perfect ergonomic position that enhances both your driving comfort and your ability to safely operate the vehicle's features. Beyond tilting, you can also telescope the steering wheel, moving it closer to or further away from your body. Pull the wheel towards you or push it away until you achieve a position where your elbows have a slight bend when your hands are on the wheel. This adjustment is key for optimizing your driving posture, reducing fatigue, and ensuring you have proper control. A good telescoping position contributes significantly to overall driving comfort. After finding your ideal steering wheel position, push the adjustment lever firmly back up to lock the steering wheel in place. Give the wheel a gentle tug to confirm it is securely locked and won't move during driving. A properly adjusted steering wheel significantly improves comfort and control, making every drive more enjoyable. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.